video will help many who have bought this gas stove and many who is going to buy. Do share, like and subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us in Facebook. If you're interested in our product, you can purchase at Shopee and Lazada official store. And do not forget to register your e-warranty after purchase. If you face any warranty claim issues, please call or WhatsApp our customer service at 012 3366 726. Thank you.